Morning, welcome back to Daybreak 724. We want to get back to that breaking news we have been following all morning long. Wind gusts of nearly 50 miles an hour are pushing power outage numbers over 20,000 in West Michigan alone. Because of that, we have Roger Morgenstern from Consumers Energy on the phone joining us live. Roger, thanks for being with us this morning. Now, we know your crews are already out trying to get the lights back on, but with these strong gusts, should we expect the numbers to go up before they go back down?
Yeah, good morning, Evan. We do think the numbers are going to continue to go up today on Sunday because the winds are going to continue to be gusty as we get into the afternoon. So we appreciate our customers' patience. It will be later tonight and maybe into tomorrow before we get everybody restored. We just need to remind people to stay at least 25 feet away from down wires and anything that is touching. If you see a down wire, assume that it's live and call us at 800-477-5050. And also call 911.
Yeah, absolutely. Great advice, Roger. Now, we're taking a look at the map on our screen right now. We can see the outages scattered all across West Michigan as a result of those strong wind gusts. Now, we're wondering, obviously, this is a kind of a gradual process. Should some people expect power to come back on maybe this morning? I know you're working maybe by tonight and into tomorrow for everybody, but we know it's a step-by-step process here. How does that work for you guys?
Yeah, it is. We get on the most critical areas. If we have any police and fire facilities, broadcast facilities that are out, we get those on first. And then we try to get the most people on with the least amount of work, if you will. If there's a short job we can do to get a couple thousand on, we'll do that first. But as you can see from the map, it is very scattered. So it's going to take a while. We appreciate our customers' patience, and they can get updates at consumersenergy.com/outage map.
Okay. Yeah, Roger, great advice. We appreciate you taking the time joining us live. Before we let you go real quick, we know obviously flooding a major concern, adding insult to injury for folks if they're dealing with floodwaters and an outage. Any advice for people in terms of standing water and maybe concerns there?
Yeah, just be very careful. If you do have standing water, maybe you've got some standing water in your yard and now you have a downed wire, make sure you stay away and call 911. And also, if you're concerned that you have too much flooding in your home, give us a call again at 800-477-5050, and we will come and disconnect your power if you think we need to do that for safety's sake.
Okay. Roger Morgenstern with Consumers Energy joining us live on the phone. Roger, thanks for joining us this morning.